Hello, I am Srinidhi of class 10 CBSE studying at Sri Sarvagnya Public School. Happy Gandhi Jayanti. So now let us discuss about the racism. Racism is the belief that groups of humans possess different behavioral traits corresponding to physical appearance and can be divided based on the superiority of one race over another. It may also mean prejudice, discrimination, or antagonism directed against other people because they are of a different race or ethnicity. Modern variants of racism are often based in social perceptions of biological differences between peoples. These views can take the form of social actions, practices, or beliefs or political systems in which different races are ranked as inherently superior or inferior to each other based on presumed shared inheritable traits, abilities, or qualities. The struggle for independence. The first nationalistic revolutionary movement for Indian independence emerged from Bengal. It later took root in the newly formed Indian National Congress with prominent moderate leaders seeking only their fundamental right to appear for Indian civil service examinations in British India, as well as more rights, economical in nature, for the people of the soil. The early part of the 20th century saw a more radical approach towards political self rule proposed by leaders such as the Lal Bal Pal and Arbindo Ghosh V.O. Chidambaram Pillai. The last stages of the self rule struggle from the 1920s was characterized by Congress adoption of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi's policy of non-violence and civil disobedience and several other campaigns. Nationalists like Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Bhagha Jatin, Surya Sen preached armed revolution to achieve self rule. Poets and writers such as Rabindranath Tagore, Subramanya Bharati, Bankim Chattopadhyay, and Qazi Nazrul Islam used literature, poetry, and speech such as tool for political awareness. Feminists like Sarojini Naidu, Prittilata Vadedar, Begum Roque promoted the emancipation of Indian women and their participation in national politics. B.R. Ambedkar campaigned the cause of the disadvantaged sections of Indian society within the more significant self rule movement. The period of the World War II saw the peak of the campaigns by the Quit India movement led by Congress and the Indian National Army movement led by Subhash Chandra Bose with the help of Japan. The Indian self rule movement was a mass based movement that encompassed various sections of society. It also underwent a process of constant ideological evolution. Although the underlying ideology of the campaign was anti colonial, it was supported by a vision of independent capitalist economic development coupled with a secular democratic republican and civil libertarian political structure